Good morning, everyone. With the new week starting as of 28th July, Monday, where the Gift Nifty is trading flat at 24,839. But what has happened on Friday, and where is that global positioning happening, and what are those data points that we have to look for today morning? So, very good morning. This is Tanmay Kotagoti, and welcome to Trade Setup with Tanmay, your 5-minute audio podcast before the chaos begins. So, let's begin with US markets. The US markets are trading strong as of today morning, whereas Dow futures is trading around 183 points higher at 45,083. S&P 500 and Nasdaq both closed in positive as of Friday's close, whereas European markets closed mixed. The EU-US trade war is off the track, and as the deadline approaches for the 1st of August, globally we see settling of the trade wars and trade talks, where a lot of new tariffs are bound to come in this week as well. But the whole focus is on this week's BOG meeting as well as the Fed outcome on Wednesday. But that was for global markets. Let's look at the domestic markets and Asian markets where they are trading. So Gift Nifty is trading around 24,836. Flat to negative opening is what is expected. Nikkei is down by almost 0.64%, trading around 189 to 67 points lower. States is trading around 0.24% lower, 4250, whereas Hang Seng, Taiwan, Jakarta, and Shanghai, everyone is up by 0.69, is up by Hang Seng, Taiwan is up by 0.18, Jakarta is up by 1.4%, whereas Shanghai is up by 0.2%. The whole focus has shifted on Indian markets where the tariffs will be declared soon. Brent has rallied and is trading around $69 mark, whereas gold has come down to 3332 levels, down by almost 0.15% as of today morning. Dollar index has slipped below that 98 mark and trading around 97.64. USD INR is trading around 86.52. As of Friday, we saw the fifth consecutive day of FIIs selling in the cash market, where FIIs sold around 1979 crore of equity, whereas DIIs bought around 2138 crore of equities. Monthly figure shows at 30,508 sold by FIIs, where DIIs have bought around 39,825. We are seeing almost 86 earnings to be declared today as of 28, and some big names that are going to declare their earnings are Bharat Electronics, Adani Green, Torrent Pharma, GAIL, Mazdok, Wari, NTPC, Adani Total Gas, IndusInd Bank, Nippon Life Asset Management, Ajanta Pharma, Piramal Pharma. So a lot of results are expected as of today morning. But let's move on and see the analysis on index itself. So Nifty closed around 24,850, currently showing an opening of 24,839 as of 8:05 today morning. The Nifty is in sell mode on TK Algo, where the sell continues and still there is a lot of weakness to be seen. So sector wise, almost all sectors are in negative except for pharma, which is showing some kind of strength and resilience. Small cap, Realty, capital markets, Midcap, FMCG, CPSC, Infra are in strong sell, whereas CNX Pharma is the only sector which is showing some positive strength. On the options side, what we can see is that implied volatilities are still subdued and trading below that 10 mark, where they are trading in single digit, and the implied volatility for 31st July is trading around 9.12, whereas for 7th August it is trading at 9.86, and the August monthly expiry is trading around 10.31. The 31st July monthly contract, we are seeing some rules that would begin as of today morning. So this week is going to be a volatile week where the expected volatility might rise, and the straddle price is showing us as of 31st July, for 31st July expiry, it is showing us at 238, where 24,850 is the ATM, and that gives us a range of around 24,600 on the downside, whereas on the upside 2550 is that range. The mean for Nifty now has broken down and has come to around 25,100 level, and let's see whether we are bouncing towards that mean or not. But on that note, call spreads can be taken or call butterflies can be taken for an upside where the downside is still open, but we can see a good resistance coming in around 24,700 marks. So what is the position on the clients end? Let's look at that as well. So as of today morning, clients are long on futures around 1,16,000 contract. On the call side, they have bought around 66,000 contracts, whereas on the put side, they have sold around 4,75,000 contracts. Clients are strongly bullish on the derivative side, where the overall exposure stands at 5,41,000 shares on the long side from the client's end. Whereas on the pros end, what I can see is that they are around 17,000 long contracts on futures. On call side, they have sold around 39,000 contracts, whereas on the put side, they have bought around 2,26,000 contracts. So pros are on the opposite end where they have shorted on the derivative side and they are playing for the short side with 2,65,000 shares outstanding on their end. So that is the reason I feel that the market is going to crack in the early trade and probably some support around that 700 mark we can see. That is where the next support level stands at. The initial resistance stands at 24,960 and then at 25,085 levels. On the downside, the support stands at 785, 24,785 and 24,720. These are the levels to look for where longs can be initiated for the bounce as well. So no buying at the opening. I think markets will crack at the opening instance and we might see lower levels coming in as well. From a commodities front, what we are seeing is that gold has now started to crack and is trading around 98,223 and is in sell mode. Silver is still trading flat where it is trading at 1,14,815. Crude is also trading flat at 5742 mark. Nat gas now can be looked at reversal around 270 levels, whereas dollar index, USD INR, both are trading flattish. Bitcoin is still in that buy zone where it is trading around 1,16,000 mark. So that was all for today, guys. If you like the audio podcast, please give it a thumbs up and see you all tomorrow once again. This is Tanmay signing off as of 28th July, Monday morning at 8:10.